Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up and take down the Sibley Apex 720 twin tent. Let's get started. The Sibley Apex 720 twin comes in a carry bag with 2 center poles, a crossbar, 2 A-frames for the doors, pegs, and guy lines. Start by connecting the center poles with the crossbar. Unroll the ground sheet. The straight edge shows where the door goes. The canvas is already attached. That saves time. Use the small pegs to secure the ground sheet. Start at the door and work your way around. Pull it tight. Unzip the door to make space for the center pole assembly. Lift it into position at the door. Unclip the crossbar and feed it through the sleeve in the roof. Then reattach it to the poles. Each person takes 1 center pole and pushes it up at the same time. Install the A-frame at the door. Position it at an angle and remove the rain cap. Push the pin through the opening in the canvas. Press the frame into place and secure it with the Velcro and strap fasteners. Replace the rain cap. Repeat on the other side. Zip the door closed. Clip the guy line with carabiner onto the loop by the door and lightly tension it. Do the same for all 3 guy lines at each door. Use the longer lines. They come in a set of 6. Then attach the rest of the guy lines around the tent and lightly tension those as well. Now tighten all the lines evenly. You'll see the tent take shape and stand nice and firm. The tent is now fully pitched. There are 4 large side windows with mesh next to the doors. You can roll them up or turn them into awnings. The tent also includes built-in organizers. A special cable access point makes it easy to bring power inside the tent. Time to take it down. Loosen all guy lines except for the main one at the door. Remove the A-frames on both sides. Each person grabs 1 center pole and lowers it at an angle. Then remove the crossbar. Take out all pegs from the ground sheet. Fold the tent in half, then fold twice more. Tip: use the carry bag to check the correct width. Roll the tent tightly toward the bag and pack everything away. Your Sibley Apex 720 twin is packed up and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!